You've probably heard that 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. Well, it is true, right? And it's actually closer to 95%. What I want to tell you today is how you cannot be like the 95%. So, earlier in this video, you would have seen a dramatization where you have a comparison between wolves and sheep, right? Now, what a lot of my students tend to ask is, why am I comparing EkataTrading to wolves? Wolves eat sheep. The masses can be known as sheep. So your goal is to be like a wolf, because you don't want to be eaten by a wolf. You want to be a wolf. EkataTrading symbolizes, or the wolf symbolizes EkataTrading, for the reason being, and there's two reasons behind it, where the first reason is, one, Ekata means unity. Unity by virtue of everybody is going the same place together. That's kind of what wolves do. Right? And then two, the whole idea is wolves eat sheep. We are not like the masses. We try to not trade and think like the masses. One of the things you can do to make your trading better, infinite times better, is basically make it your business to not do what everybody else is doing. So if everybody else is trading support resistance and trend lines and smart money concepts and everything else that you're doing, your goal should try to be to psych out what it is everybody else is doing and try to figure out a way to not do exactly that. Am I saying that just going the opposite direction to everybody is the right way? No. You still want to be on the right side of the move, obviously. So your whole idea is still to try to take the same trades as everybody else, but for different reasons. One of the things that we do at EkataTrading is we do more or less go with, if the market is buying, we will buy as well, right? But there's a will and there's a way in which to do that. The big mistake a lot of people make is they buy blindly. They sell blindly. We don't do that. If you look at any of my other videos, you know that when I am performing an analysis, it is extremely in-depth. And I don't hold back either. It is extremely in-depth. And the whole idea behind that is because I'm looking for every single detail that I could have to make my analysis better and stronger. So that when I am faced with my enemy, which is the masses, my enemy is not the banks and the dealer. My enemy is the masses. I'm trying to not think like everybody else. I'm trying to align myself with the banks and the dealer. So I want you to picture this, right? I want you to picture, we are wolves. You and I'm speaking to you, we are wolves. Especially if it is you're taking me seriously, or you do want to take me seriously. Consider yourself now from today a wolf. You know that in the packs of wolves, there'll be betas and omegas and alphas, which are the ones who control the packs. Within the whole space or the realm of animals, there might be a bigger alpha or a true alpha, which is the dealer. Our goal, so in my organization, I am the alpha of my organization, right? But our goal, my goal is still to align with the true alpha, which is the dealer. You see how deep this thing goes? The whole idea is to align yourself with the people that win, not lose. If you're doing what everybody else is doing, you're going to realize very quickly that you're going to lose just like everybody else. So for me, what I'm doing, I might be the alpha of my organization, but I'm still trying to make sure that I am aligning myself with that of the dealer. When he is trying to produce a trap, I'm trying to understand what the trap is. When he's trying to snap that trap, I'm trying to understand where he's trying to do that. And these are the kind of things that you try to get a really good grip on to kind of build yourself up as a good or a better trader, right? And if you can't do that, then obviously you'll be losing and you'll be just like the sheep. And as you realize at the end of that dramatization, you realize that the wolves end up eating the sheep, which is kind of what happens. You know that they say that the money has to come from somewhere, right? It is the sheep that feed the wolves. It is the losers that feed the winners. Do you want to be like the losers that feed the winners? Is it that you want to put money into the market and every time you take a trade, you lose it, knowing fully well that it's most likely going into somebody who's winning, into their pocket? So the whole idea is try to align yourself or realign yourself with the winning side. And by no means am I saying that I win every single trade, because you know that I don't. What I'm saying is I'm not always going to get a meal. Sometimes I'll lose. But my mindset is different to that of the masses. And yours should be too. And I think if it is you take me serious at the end of this video, I think if you take me serious throughout this video, that you will quickly realize that that has been the flaw and the error of your ways up until today. Because the mistake that a lot of people make is they think that this thing is just about a technical analysis. It's not. And I can assure you, until you make that change up here, that mental change up here, to align yourself with the correct side, you'll continue to lose. Pick the right side, my friends. EkataTrading is the way. So, I really hope that you like this one. I hope that you like that little dramatization at the start of the video. It took me quite a while to work on that because I really wanted to do something with wolves and sheep, and I always use them in my analogies and stuff. And I really wanted to do something like this for a very long time. So I really hope that you enjoyed that. If you did, definitely hit like because I worked really hard on that. If you like more stuff like this and you want me to go more in detail on stuff like this, be sure to subscribe. And obviously, if it is you have any comments or any critiques or anything from me of this sort, you can always comment it below, or you can message me directly at EkataTrading on TikTok, Instagram, Telegram, or YouTube, or you can email me directly, and that link is in the description. I really hope that you enjoyed, and I will see you all in the next one very, very soon. Peace out, guys.